Welcome to my channel. Today we see a brief overview of various laboratory glassware. This is Conical Flask, typically used for mixing and heating liquids with narrow neck to prevent splashing. This is measuring cylinder used to measure the volume of liquids accurately. These are test tubes, small glass containers used for mixing, heating or storing small quantities of substances. These are a paper, pH paper, which indicate used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of solution. These are pipette tips, disposable plastic tips attached to pipette to prevent cross-contamination. This is a pipette, a laboratory tool used for measuring and transferring small volumes of liquid. These are centrifuge tubes used for centrifuge to separate components of mixture based on density. These are Durham tubes, small inverted tubes to detect gas production. These are Petri plates, shallow circular dishes used for culturing microorganisms on solid growth medium. This is BOD bottle used for measuring biochemical oxygen demand in water sample. This is dropper, a simple tool for transferring small amount of liquid drop by drop. This is funnel, a tube with wide, narrow, and bottom used for pour liquid into containers with small opening. This is petri dish. This is test tube holder for holding a test tube safely. It is well blower. It is mortar and pestle used for grinding and mixing solid substances. It is spatula. It is beaker, a common container used for stirring. It is cover slide, thin rectangular slide or glass slide used to observe. This is micro centrifuge tubes for centrifuges small volume of liquid. This is wire loop, a tool used for inoculating microorganisms onto culture media, also called nitron wire loop. This is membrane filter, a filter used for separating microorganisms from liquid or air. This is stirrer, a glass rod used for mixing liquids. This is spreader, a tool used to eventually distribute microorganisms.